Hi, I'm Claire, and I'm going to be teaching you about annotation. Annotation is basically any mark that you make while you're reading a text. It can be a drawing or like an illustration, an idea of what you think is happening in the story, a question that you have, a definition of a confusing word, or even like a mark so that you can find the place later in the book. Annotations can help another student understand a text as well. If you define a difficult word for them, then they can understand more easily, obviously, what it means. You can also brainstorm ideas with each other that you have of the story, and if you have questions written down, then you can both discuss and try to understand what the author meant. I have a passage here. It's called Mary Angelou on Writing, and I've annotated it. And you can see here I have underlined an important point and stated what I think that means. And then here you can see that I found a confusing word that I did not understand, and I looked it up and defined it so that I can more easily understand. You can also ask questions to help yourself understand as well. We're going to do a little activity in Of Mice and Men by John Steinbeck. You can see right here. We're doing this paragraph right here. I'll just read it out first. The flame of the sunset lifted from the mountain tops, and dusk came into the valley, and a half-darkness came in among the willows and the sycamores. See, already we can find some things that we can pull out of there. The flame of the sunset, what does that sound like to you? To me, that sounds like a metaphor. So we're going to underline that, make an arrow out to the side, write metaphor. Just like that. If you can see what I did there, metaphor. Now, lifted from the mountain tops, and dusk came into the valley, and a half-darkness came in among the willows and the sycamores. That's basically just imagery. I'll write out to the side, imagery. Now here, in the second sentence, it says, a big carp rose to the surface of the pool, gulped air, and then sank mysteriously into the dark water again, leaving widening rings on the water. Now, I don't really know what a carp is, do you? So I'm just going to look that up real quick. Carp, a deep-bodied freshwater fish. Alright, so we'll write that. Under or circle carp, right out to the side, deep-bodied freshwater fish. And there you have it. That's how you annotate a passage. Thank you very much.